Good day, my followers. Thanks for following us on our Facebook page, and always remember to subscribe. 2 weeks ago, I released some areas of concentration so that you can focus on it for paper 2 and the objective. Today, we want to tell you what you are expecting or what you are most likely to see when you are writing the afternoon paper that has to do with what? Practical. When you look at it, it's paper 3, map reading and physical. What are you expecting or what are you going to see? Number 1, you are going to see map reading question there, which is compulsory question. Is number 1 question, which is compulsory. In that aspect of number 1, what are the likely areas that will come out? If you are not asked to draw map enlargement, you will ask to reduce the map. If you are not asked to reduce the map, you will be asked to draw cross section. If you are not asked for cross section, it's going to be physical representation of land form, where you'll be asked to show some physical features like color, saddle, pass or gap, valley, ridge, and so on and so forth. Those are the only areas where we ask you question on map reading. But on this aspect of physical, it's just you are expected to answer just only 3 questions. And these 3 questions is number 2 is always GRSD, graphical representation of statistical data. It has to do with all these pie chart, bar chart, histogram, choropleth, star graph. Those are the questions here. Your question 3 is most likely to be either rock or mountain. Either of the 2, 1 question will come out. The next question will be weather and what? Climate. Weather and climate, you may be asked question on this, where you will be asked the calculation of some terms that has to do with isothermal, isoyard, isobath, and some other things in weather and climate. The next question will be on environmental hazards. Environmental hazard or environmental resources. Either environmental hazard or environmental resources. What are you expected to know on this environmental hazard? Go and read the soil erosion very well, meaning causes, effect, and control. Do the same thing with flooding, meaning area of occurrence, causes, effect, and control. Read droughts, meaning causes, effect, and control. Go and read environmental pollution. All these things are what you are expected on environmental hazard. On environmental resources, the mineral resources, the power resources, the forest resources, the vegetation resources, go and read them very well. The next one is actions of wind erosion in the desert. Actions of wind erosion in the desert. In this action of wind erosion in the desert, what are the topics that you are expected to know there? Rock pedestals, yandan, zinjin, measures and booties. Measures and booties. These are the questions you are likely to see when you are writing the afternoon paper. And in conclusion, there are some other areas that you need to go and concentrate on that has to do with the aspect of calculation of longitude and latitude. Go and concentrate more on calculation of longitude and latitude. If there is time, you can add GIS to it. Remember, it's map reading and physical geography. That is the practical. Question 1 is compulsory. I want to recap everything now. Question number 1 is compulsory. This physical geography, they will give you 7 questions. They will ask you to take 3. Out of all these topics that I've given you, I am 100% sure 3 of them, if you are able to read everything, you will see your own 3 there and you will answer it successfully. I wish you the very best in your exam.